Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable private space on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to enable your private space, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down in control panel. You will get a user setup here. Just tap on this profile icon and you will get the user setup. But if you won't get it here, so maybe your user setup will be disabled. Just have to go for settings, and here just scroll down and look for user and accounts. Here's that, tab on it, and here just select multiple users. Here you will get your user setting. You must have to enable this first, and after that you can easily add users. After adding a user, your private space will be enabled. You can easily get a private space on your phone. So that's how you can easily enable private space on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.